How to fix Xbox app error 0x80073D19 in Windows. Open Start and type Fix Store. The built-in Windows tool automatically detects and fixes problems with apps downloaded from the Microsoft Store, including the Xbox app. If that didn't work, type usreset.exe and press Enter. A blank command prompt window will open. Wait for it to close automatically. Once closed, the Microsoft Store will open automatically, indicating the cache has been reset. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, type Services in Windows Search and press Enter. Scroll down and find the Client License Service, Clip SVC. Right-click on Clip SVC and select Properties. If the service is stopped, click Start. Set the startup type to Automatic and click OK. You can repair and reset the Microsoft Store in Windows settings as follows. If that didn't work, type PowerShell in Windows Search. Right-click on the result and select Run as Administrator. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. If that didn't work,